I'm Chief Meteorologist Amber Sellens with a look at your most accurate forecast and the next storm system approaching our state. Moisture out ahead of that will get pulled in from the south and southwest tonight, and that's going to give us a chance for showers overnight into tomorrow across our state. So let's take a closer look at FUTURECAST. This time the University of Arizona model getting us to about 10 o'clock this evening. At that point, a few light showers are possible. Better chances as we approach about 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, and then by the time we hit sunrise, much of that action will be farther to the east, and it will quickly push east into New Mexico in the later morning hours tomorrow. But a chance for rain nonetheless, and of course some much cooler air. Valley temperatures dropping about 10 degrees with highs in the 80s here tomorrow. 70s early on and a high of 88 around 4 p.m. here in Phoenix. Winds picking up again in the afternoon for us with gusts at about 25 miles per hour. But take a look up north. This is tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. Already windy across northern Arizona and along the rim, and those winds will only get stronger into the afternoon hours up there. Sustained winds up to 35 miles per hour and gusts closer to 50 for northern Arizona tomorrow. So we continue to see wind advisories and fire weather warnings for that part of our state. You'll notice Saturday, kind of the same story with those winds really picking up again in the afternoon hours across northern and eastern Arizona. So wind advisories for northern Arizona tomorrow, fire weather warnings also in place for tomorrow, and for southeastern Arizona, fire weather warnings down there too tomorrow throughout the day. And then on Saturday, southeastern Arizona under fire weather watches that could be upgraded to warnings as we get closer with those high winds still in the forecast. So let's talk temperatures tonight. Down into the 70s from Phoenix down south into Tucson, 50s in Payson and Sedona, 40s in Flagstaff and Heber tonight. And we are going to see temperatures tomorrow afternoon in those spots hit the 60s. So Flagstaff at 60, Heber at 67, Show Low at 68. Temperatures in Prescott also right around the 60s. And then for the valley and areas south and west, it's 80s in the forecast tomorrow. And again, this is several degrees below normal for this time of year. We get even cooler on Saturday, and then we start another warm up. So 86 and breezy on Saturday, back up to 90 on Sunday. Early morning lows taking a big dive too, down into the upper 50s to low 60s across the valley through the weekend. And then we'll heat things up next week. Upper 90s back in play starting Tuesday.